Good evening, teacher. This is my video uh, talking about my obligations. My name is Ivan Bento. I am 29 years old. I have been studying telecommunications engineering at UNED. I have been working as a welder at company called Arte Alambre in the city of Bogota for the past 9 years. Although it has been a very demanding job, I have been able to provide a good life for my family. Among my duties, I have to arrive before 7 a.m., put on personal protective equipment, and head to my workstation. There, I have to physical warm up before starting work, check that station is clean, and review my plans for the day and begin working. One of my responsibilities has been to ensure that the station I am in charge of are functioning properly and to prevent any accumulation of work from previous stations. I have had a 15 minutes break for breakfast in the morning, and at noon I have taken an hour long break for lunch. Mm, that's all. Thank you.